All right, we made it to the Menards job. Let's check this door out. Got a scissor lift today, which is really nice. This is first time I looked at this. Looks like it got a little wet. Pile of goodies. Non-insulated rib door. Looks like good struts. I like plenty of struts. Plenty of struts. Maybe struts for all the locations or all the sections. So, not a bad gig. We'll get started. I did see a little bit of a problem here. Appears that we have everything. Ooh, comes with a handle. Space the track out a little bit. That'll be all right. We're gonna put at least one block of wood in here. Dale had a good idea about just spanning it versus taking this out. A little different style bottom retainer. Aluminum. Got a screw. Well, not a screw in for that, but we do have a screw right there. Not bad. Not bad. Feels pretty nice. Got the blood screws. Got the foam in between. This is nice still. They cover the whole thing. So I wanted to jump in here for a minute, friends, and discuss this. So this section it's toast. I mean, the worst part is it's top and bottom of the section. So I normally get them on one side, and you can kind of fudge them and, doctor them up a little bit and make things work. But this is just beyond belief. It's got to go. So we made the determination to put it on the top panel because we can swap it. I figured that way if the top doesn't meet up, we don't have two variables. It's not in the middle of the door. It's just at the top. We got to yank it down and throw a new one up. The beautiful part is the customer handled it all. So, instead of calling a secretary and have pictures and the vendor wants this or that, the customer handled all this. And Menards was nice enough to give them free weather seal. It's going to take a couple weeks for this section to come in. No charge, no cost. And they threw some weather seal in, so that was nice of them. So it's all taken care of, but it is jacked up. And this is what you get kind of from the lumber yards, is to be expected. It's a bummer, but it happens. I just want to get some support on it first before I start really twisting and wailing and dee-dee-dee-dee. I should use some long ones. Maybe. I care. I don't know what the heck this is. Yeah. Yep. Definitely gonna need some long ones. Wow. Son of a biscuit. Got it, muscles? Man. So what do you think about either I steal that strut, or do we got one on the truck that we want to burn up and we accidentally might lose it, or do we take a mid?
You want to tap on the bottom too?
Man, you sight down this thing, and I don't think she's gonna ever line up without it, you know.
I mean, if you want to take one off the bottom, that's fine, because I can put the bottom one back on when I take the...
I mean, this strut's already got a little bow to her because she's holding on for dear life.
Take her out of the bottom and then I can throw it back on and change the switch.
Okay. Doing that. Dale had a good idea, just wail on it. I was gonna cut it out, but I just gave her the twist of the Hulk and at least got it out of the way. So lucky for us, you know, this door, I don't really know the reason why. They normally don't come like this, you know, but I love having struts in every section. It just idiot-proofs things. It makes things so much more simpler for installers, customers, subcontractors, you name it. And in this situation, I didn't feel 1 ounce of badness to steal the bottom panel, one that we'll just reattach when we get the new panel, and for the top. So kudos for all the struts. That was a big help. Didn't come with bumpers though. Obviously we're providing that because this is going to be hand operated for a little while that we know of.
They'll wear out eventually. Get our bump stops. Those weren't included. Still got those up there.
Got ourselves some.
Bumper stops.
I didn't have nothing to do, so I did a little cleanup. It's always a good thing to do, clean up. If you ain't got nothing, there's always something to do. Clean up, keep working, help the guy that you're working with. Right? Oh, I got you. Yeah, she's a blazer in the sun right now. 190. Oh, shoot. Okay. 190. 190. 7/8. That's a good thing we're doing the top, because if I screw this up, this can go on the side. Yeah. So that's kind of nice. Doo-doo-doo, right there. Doo-doo-doo. You got one of these tools?
Nah, I use myself.
Dude, you're missing out.
It looked pretty easy for you there.
This is nice. All right, here's the thing. So since he's doing that one, I'll keep the factory edge down here. I'll cut it down here. Think of it as going up like that. And this one's this way. It'll go up like that.
142 and a quarter.
142 and a quarter. 142 and a quarter.
I can't believe how well that did on the steel. I was expecting it to look all bubbly and
I know.
gross because I always do.
It did turn out pretty good for what it was. 142 and a quarter. Oh, all right, there's that. 142 and a quarter. All right, go like this. And choppy chop. I don't think I choppy chopped enough. Try a little more choppy chop. I like that better. Do a little angle. And go like that. Like that. Should be golden, like golden crispies. Just remember that. Factory edge seal. Well, I must say the customer has a beautiful little paradise back here though. A nice little green. The house is up here, up behind me, up by the road, and then you come down here in the swale. Hopefully the van can get out here. We're gonna have to see if the van will get out of here because it's steep. So we're hoping old Betsy here gets out. But a beautiful little pad here. Beautiful.